Jano, it no look good pan Tamale Sparta side. My viewer subscribers, we have some information on Tamale Sparta situation. Also, Ritical said that the gun was not his. Skillibeng, Jano team was aware of the crash plane being an ongoing investigation site. We're going to talk about it all in this one video, so stick around when we come back.
I mean, I say from hear the voice, I don't know King Breezy, the Rich Badness boss, I represent with Just Vibes Radio. Fully Rich Badness.
Welcome back to the channel, my viewers, subscribers. If it's your first time here, share, subscribe now. Click the bell icon, turn on your post notification. Yeah, you know how we do it. So watch out without any further ado. Let's touch the Tamale Sparta situation. Some of you are subscribers. Tamale Sparta was remanded in custody when he appeared via Zoom in the High Court Division of the Gun Charge Court today. Artist who already is facing ammunition charges and gun charges, you get me, went before the court today, but he was rejected bail and also remanded until the 24th of March. That's when he will stand trial. Now my people, Jano, I did a video earlier about, well not earlier, about a week or two ago, about Tamale Sparta when he first was supposed to answer to the gun charges and ammunition charges. They then pushed back the date to today, and now over here say for one, them revoke the bail application, and also he's being remanded until March the 24th. Now my viewers, subscribers, if you ask me if it look good pan Tamale Sparta side and him liar them side, I go tell you no. I'ma feel like based on evidence and the information we have so far, he might go do some time behind bars. I swear. Because why was actually his bail application rejected? They're saying that he's actually a flight risk, but this money not gone away. You see, when can I run go? You see me? I mean, and I've known whenever Tamale is wanted by police for questioning, him always turn himself in. So I was still wondering, why them reject the application? This man here can't fly gun away. You see it? About a year now this man don't fly to the country. So me don't know. My viewers, subscribers, me have a strong feeling about this. Say he might go do some time behind bars. And they must say the 24th of March he will face trial. Now we only can hope for the best for Tamale. As I can say, he's actually a good artist. You see it? We don't want fear say then put him away for a long time. And people probably say this man you don't learn from the mistake them, but Jano and him get all for second chance. But me don't know, me not God, me can't judge people, me can't judge people. You get me? We have to wish for the best and hope everything turn out in a team favor, and hopefully him learn again this time around. But my viewers, subscribers, not a good look for Tamale. You know there's something they got. Now we're moving along, So watch out now. We are already aware of the incident between Ritical and the feds them. So watch out now. About a week ago, the feds them pull up on Ritical because of suspicion, searching vehicle and find a slug or a shoes in vehicle and confiscate it and lock him up also. Now we are here because him liar them say or him team them say they want request bail for him. Now we are here him team and say it was not film gun, right? They must say it is not film gun, and Ritical by the name of Rowan McFarlane. You know, as me say, he was arrested on the 28th of January, which was last week. You get me? They must say I never film gun. Some of you are subscribers. Me kinda really a puzzle. I'm a hope I saw it go. Say I never film gun, but why it in a film vehicle? Me no understand. But anyways, him lie them do them work, me them do them work. Who is me? I'm not a liar. Me never did it. All me can say is if I never feel struck, brother, me not think you shouldn't have it on your still or have it in your vehicle, but you might never know. You probably have a friend in vehicle and a friend left it in there accidentally, you might not know. But my viewers, subscribers, Ritical and his team is denying any form of ownage to that weapon where the police them find in a vehicle. So we are wait. I think Friday, which is the 4th, they are requesting a bail for Ritical. So we are gonna see if the bail are granted or it are gonna reject like Tommy Lee. As you can see, a same charges. Both of them were charged for possession of firearm and ammunition. So we are gonna hear how it go. My viewers, subscribers, and as me say, yo, me really and truly hate for seeing them things here happen because the two man them are some quality artists. The two man them are good artists. Ritical, Dust 25, I come up in the game now, strong. My whole heap of fan base people rate him. Him lyrically inclined, him vocabulary not normal. We see him as a prominent upcoming artist. So we hear this reach him, me did just shock. But then again, artists always get themselves in a them kind of situation here. And me no want to be like one of them stereotype person there. Don't get me wrong, but for the past few years, artists are always, some artists, I can't say artists because you have a whole heap of artists out there now, know what them do. You will never see an alkaline situation like that. You will never see a popcorn in a situation like that. And that's just to name a few. We also heard that another upcoming artist was also slapped with gun charges as well. Right now, my viewers, subscribers, so look good pan the artist them, man. This is one of the reasons why police have them money under scrutiny, because of them behavior and how them carry out and how them do for them day-to-day lifestyle. You see me? But my viewers, subscribers, wish for the best. As me say, we don't want to go so bad mind. All we can say is left the thing to deal with itself. You see it? Them must know what them do. We just want the artists them, alright, learn from their mistake and make music. That's all we want. Load the violence. Watch you now, make we move on. Some people a whole heap of people are link me and say, yo, me never do a review upon Skillibeng, or a reaction rather upon Skillibeng plane crash video. Well, my viewers, subscribers, I saw the video but never get the time to even really mess it to that. And when me hear or see some information that police are questioning the video, because if we don't know, Skillibeng them do the video in the plane, and them say them never know said there was still an ongoing investigation with that plane. Now let me just tell you this: you can get charged. You can get charged for interfering with. We forgot how you the charge name, but you can be charged for interfering with an ongoing investigation or tamper with ongoing investigation or whatever the case may be. Me not a lawman or whatever, but me know you can get charged. Get me? So Skillibeng and his team had came forward to say, what you know, we never know say yo, this was part of an ongoing investigation. Same way, I mean, we just pass by the area and just say, yo, no, so we just go shoot a video and see how it go. That's what they tell the Star earlier today, after police was actually questioning the matter. Them people, I what them say, as me say, I what them say, we have to work with what them say. But my viewers, subscribers, just think about it still. Me did see the video, but me never think it was the right thing to do, because me just say, yo, then police now go link them man as the police always do. So why them do it? But the man, them never know say it was a part of an ongoing investigation. So me go see how it go with them and the police. The police them go allow it or them go pursue it. You know, police and artists not on good terms already. We don't know that. But my viewers, subscribers, wanna think, I mean, yo, Tommy Lee. Hope for the best to Tommy Lee and Ritical, and also Skillibeng. Comment in the comment section below wanna think. What are your thoughts or your opinion on these 3 topics? Until next time, Just Vibes Radio. I'm out.